Hi, today we have an iPhone 7 that the home button is glitchy or it clicks fast. So I'm gonna show you that the home button is I just connected it like that because the flex cable is torn right here. So I'm gonna show you first that the Touch ID itself is working. I'm gonna add a fingerprint. Well, it's working, but the home button itself is has a problem. So when I just put my finger on it, it clicks. So as you can see, the Touch ID is working basically. So I'm just touching it like really lightly and it's clicking really fast. So this little flex cable is torn from here. I'm gonna show you under the microscope that it's torn. Like this. As you can see. So this can cause a problem with the home button itself. The Touch ID will still work, but the home button will be glitching or clicking really fast, and you can feel the Taptic engine is clicking really fast. So I am gonna try to fix that. Let's see. So we're gonna turn off the phone and we're gonna go under the microscope to see how we're gonna fix this problem. So first of all, I will scrap here this side Touch ID. So I can see. I'm gonna use my fixing tool, special one with the Touch ID. Like this, so it doesn't go anywhere. I can work. So now we are gonna scrap here to see the lines that we need to renew by making the jumpers from right here to right here. Scrap really slightly, really light, so you don't torn the flex cable itself. So yeah, sorry about that. The camera just glitched. I don't know why. I need to fix that. So I scratched here, and I can see a line, and here two little lines, and one more line, and I suppose this one and this one is the ground. So I'm gonna keep scrapping till I clean it really well. Gonna clean it now. And now I want after we done the jumpers, rewiring those damaged lines, we are now gonna test the home button and the touch ID if it's working correctly.
No stress, I'm good without it.
charge. No Touch ID message didn't show up, so I'm gonna assume that the Touch ID is working, but I'm gonna test it just to make sure. You see, it's working, and the home button is not working. Like when you just put your finger on it. Before I rewired the cutted lines, it was working just by touching the home button. It just like that, and it would work. And now you see it's not working. You need to touch it really good, like it should be. So it's fixed. Now after that, I'm gonna just put a mask on those new lines that I have made, so it can be protected, so nothing happens in the future with it. And just for the records, this phone, no one opened it at all. The phone looks new. I'm the first one who opened this phone, and the Touch ID was turned by itself, so no other shop was opening this phone and trying to do something with the phone, and they just ripped the home button off. No, this was new. The scotch here around the phone was still new. I was the first one to open it, and this was a factory defect. So I don't know, many home buttons happen. So yeah, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Like, comment, subscribe on my YouTube channel for more videos to show you how I fix the phones that come to me. And see you next time.